ડીકમ્પોઝ થઈ જાય તમે શું કરશો? કેવી રીતે હાલત છે? અમને વિડીયો આવી રહ્યા છે બેન.
Behind me, some relatives, family of some relatives who have come from Surat have been waiting here for the past 2 days now. There has been a ruckus with the civil defence staff. The warden of the civil defence staff, Hemlata, just spoke to us. She is on the verge of breaking down herself. Been working non-stop since the incident. She's telling us there are bodies have come in bits and pieces, and some bodies are charred beyond recognition. It's been very difficult to identify the bodies, and she's telling us that there is a risk of infection, there is a risk of contamination, due to which relatives are not being allowed in the cold storage or anywhere near the morgue, and it's naturally very difficult for families to understand the situation at this moment. Behind me there is a family, and then there are few civil defence staff who are trying to console the families.
जा रहे हैं अंदर, हमको जाने भी नहीं देते.
फर्स्ट डे से यहीं
अभी
पे
एक आदमी को जान देते हैं, लेकिन उनका कोई माहिती नहीं.
अच्छा, एक बंदे को ही अभी तक जाने दिया. DNA कोई दिया है सर आपके परिवार से?
दिया है. जो लड़का गुजरा है, जो हमारी
हाँ।
फैमिली, उसके फादर ने दिया.
पहले
मेरे भाई ने
इनसे
दिया.
DNA दे दिया.
मेरे भाई ने दिया.
लेकिन अंदर किसी को जाने नहीं,
किसी को
देखने को भी नहीं मिला.
नहीं.
और किसी को कोई माहिती नहीं है.
हाँ।
हमको नहीं.
हाँ।
ये जितने प्लेन क्रैश में जो मरे हुए हैं,
हाँ।
इनके पास कोई माहिती नहीं है कि कितने इनके डीएनए सक्सेस हुए, कितने डीएनए का इन्होंने मतलब इनको पता चला है कि किसका डीएनए मैच हुआ है.
उनकी मांग इतनी है कि बॉडी जल्दी क्यों नहीं दे रहे, इतने घंटे क्यों लग रहे हैं, और स्टेट में से टीम क्यों नहीं मंगवाई है, और इतना बड़ा बिल्डिंग कम क्यों पड़ रहा है. तो मेरा एक ही जवाब है, भाई अपनी शॉप होती है, अपने 4 कस्टमर की कैपेसिटी रखते हैं अपनी दुकान के आगे. उस जगह पे अगर 400 कस्टमर आ जाएंगे तो थोड़ी तकलीफ हमको भी होगी. वैसे ये भी मैनेजमेंट है, एकदम से इतना बड़ा हादसा हो गया तो वो लोग भी कर रहे हैं ना, ऐसे थोड़ी नहीं कर रहे हैं. सिक्योरिटी बेस पर देखो. अच्छा, ये लोग बोल रहे हैं बॉडी को टच नहीं करने दे रहे, तो भाई इन्फेक्शन की वजह से वो टच नहीं करने दे रहे. वहाँ डॉट पार्टिकल जो भी है बॉडी को टच हुए होंगे तो इन्फेक्शन होगा ना, उनको नहीं पता चल रहा है. वो उनकी जगह पर राइट है, मैं गलत नहीं बोल रही, क्योंकि हम तो सिर्फ बोल रहे हैं उनका परिजन गया है, उनके स्नेही जन गए हैं.
Families from Surat, they are extremely angry because they have not received any information so far. They have been waiting here for since they are from Surat. They probably reached here in another 3 or 4. It takes 4 hours to reach from Surat to Ahmedabad. They even didn't get a phone call from Air India or anybody from the Gujarat government or any authorities whatsoever. Right now they are demanding any information at all, They are saying even if they do not allow the families to see the bodies of their families, they should at least put up a screen updating every information, because there are families here who have lost their loved ones and they are in a very bad state of mind. The man I spoke to is the brother of the family who lost their lives. The immediate family, the father of the man, the wife and the child that died is unable to speak. He is sitting there in one corner. He has not spoken a word since he has arrived here. He is not in condition to speak. All he wants is a closure. All he wants is to see the face of his only child, his daughter-in-law and his grandson. Right now behind me is the gates of the Kasauti Bhavan area, where there is a notification put up that any information should be taken from this area, but there is a barricade there and there are police standing there completely cordoning off the area, and they are not letting anyone enter the area. Nobody has any information. There is no doctor here, there is no authority here. There are only police here who are stopping anyone from going inside. There were some civil defence staff there who got caught up amidst the ruckus because they were just passing from this area, but they are demanding that a senior official should come out by now and at least give some information, or at least just talk to them as a matter of courtesy, which has not happened since the tragic incident. This is Damayanti reporting from BJ Medical College for the Federal.